If you want to know how to buy shares of Berkshire Hathaway Inc., this quick guide will walk you through the essentials, noting that the company is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BRK.B. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the basic process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker BRK.B to locate the correct listing. Confirm the result shows Berkshire Hathaway Inc. before you proceed. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for BRK.B. Make sure the company name and ticker match Berkshire Hathaway Inc. to confirm you have the right stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it opens. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. After your order executes, you will see the new position appear in your portfolio. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to follow this example.